Hi guys! Ever wondered why your Power BI report gives you a lot of duplicates and strange totals? The chances are you're dealing with a many-to-many relationship, and if not handled correctly, you might get yourself into a very serious mess in your insights. Now, in this video, I'm going to enlighten you on what a many-to-many relationship is, how to spot it, and the best way to make this particular connection so you don't have all of these issues. So, let's just dive in and solve this problem once and for all. If you want to learn about other relationships that can be created amongst tables in Power BI, I've made some videos in my channel on many-to-one relationship and one-to-many relationship, and the next video is going to be on one-to-one relationship. So subscribe and stay updated with all of my posts. Now, a many-to-many relationship is when a column with multiple or duplicate values of text tries to connect with another column with multiple or duplicate values of text. I'll give you an instance using table A and table B. Table A has a column which has duplicate values or text, and is trying to connect to another column in table B which also has duplicate values or text using the many-to-many basis. It's going to produce a result where each row in table A would actually connect to so many rows in table B and vice versa. And that's the simple explanation on many-to-many relationship. We're going to be working on these particular tables right now, the fact dental and the appointments table. The fact dental table is just a table on activities regarding the dental clinic, and this is the appointments table on all of the appointments in the same dental clinic. We're going to be connecting using the customer ID, which also appears in both tables. So let's connect. We're going to hold down here and drag to this. So we see here now, this is a many-to-many, and it has also given a warning that this has a many-to-many relationship. Many-to-many relationship is already a lot to handle in Power BI, hence this particular warning. So let's find the best way to connect this now. Let's cancel. So in order for us to ensure that these tables work side by side with each other and understand each other, we have to create a relationship. And this relationship now we're going to create will need us to create a table. And the table we're going to create must have a column which has absolutely no duplicate to ensure either a one-to-many relationship or a many-to-one relationship. So let's go ahead and create a table. So the table we're going to create will be customer, as customer ID exists in both tables. So we'll just put distinct. Distinct is what we use when we need a column without duplicates. So we'll just put it customer ID in bracket close in this. Yep. So we've created another table now, and this table contains a column which has absolutely no duplicate. And this here, we find this particular table with customer. This counts the unique identifiers, the unique information. This here, the table shows that it has 9 rows and the column itself has 9 rows. So we're certain that this has no duplicate. So now let's connect it. Hold this down and drag it to customer ID. Connect it. Hold this down and drag to customer ID in the appointments table. Great. So now for these tables to be able to communicate with each other without any problem, we have to do something here. Let's double tap, it opens. So instead of this being single, this particular area on cross filter direction, we have to put this as both. And what this both does now is so that this particular table is able to control this table through this. It's going to control this table without any problem. And then we do the same here. So this would also control the other table. So it displays here now. You see the change. The table is connected and there's absolutely no problem. Now we've created this relationship. Let's ensure that these tables are able to relate, communicate, or control each other. So let's go to this report view. Now this particular table is coming from Fact Dental, everything in here. So we're going to draw information now from the appointments table. We'll just create a filter. The slicer visual is a filter as we know it. Okay, so we'll just use the customer ID to control it. Put the customer ID here. Okay, let's see this work. We just put one at a time. Okay, so let's click this. Every click is making a difference. When you have more than one table in your report, creating relationship between tables is a very important process. And if you don't create this relationship well, it's most likely that your report will be a huge mess. So it's very important for you to learn the different methods or relationships that can be created in Power BI. Thankfully, I've created videos that you can actually watch my channel on the different relationships, and the next video after this is the one-to-one relationship. So click and watch. Catch you in the next video.